It's a magical time of the year. The harvest of 2017 is almost here. The wineries in Oregon Willamette Valley is filled with anticipation. They wonder what this harvest do this year. After 2, 3 spectacular years in a row, 2014, 15, 16, now it's 17. They hope the weather will stay dry and the grapes will produce another great harvest. Time has come. The magic is here. This is the harvest of 2017. I just wonder what kind of things we'll get out of this. We'll see in a couple of years. So while we wait for the harvest of 2017 to make it into the bottle, let's talk about a couple of previous years and what kind of decisions you need to make when you go shopping for Oregon wine. So let's start with the year of 2013. It actually was a very good start of the year. It was warm spring that went into a warm, dry summer, but it hit a snag right around the harvest time. The rains hit hard. And that meant that winemakers had to make a decision. Do I try to wait until the rain is over? Do I pick it now? So all those decisions came into winemaking in 2013. And in my opinion, some of these wines are really good and some not so much. So when you go try to find a bottle of 2013, it might be hit or miss. On the other hand, 2014 was an ideal growing season. And in opinion of many experts, some call it a vintage of a lifetime. Why? What makes a perfect year? First, it's definitively cold winter. Not a freezing cold, but just cold winter. Secondly, it's warm spring that goes into a warm summer. And one of the most important components for 2013 was lagging behind dry harvest. So this is what allowed the winemakers to make an exceptional Pinot Noir in Oregon in 2014. So if you're shopping for wine, if you want to have a great bottle, 2014 is a safe bet. And a few words about 2015. It was very much like 2014, with a couple of exceptions. It also was a very early start of the season, so the vines started blooming earlier, and it was a very hot summer, and actually this is an earliest vintage on record. Why? Because most of the winemakers were finished and had the grapes in their facilities by first to second week of September, which is unheard of for Oregon vines. So what you're gonna find here is a lot of fruit. And this is what the tendency for the younger wines. They're more fruity than the ones that have been longer in the bottle. So it depends how you feel like. If you want something fruity today, you can easily get 2015 and make your choice. On the other hand, if you want something that's a little bit more sophisticated, that aged a little bit in a bottle, that's 2014. And obviously, if you want find a gem that's hidden somewhere, you're gonna have to try a lot of 2013s until you find one of those. So your safest bet is here and here. And if you're ever gonna start a collection, this is probably will set a nice foundation. So if you like any of these 2014 or 2015 Oregon wines, get a few bottles. Drink one today and leave one for later.